I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to verify your account on Curve, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Download the Curve app. Start by downloading the Curve app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app to begin the verification process. Step 2. Create an account. Tap on Sign Up and enter your email address. You'll receive a verification link in your inbox, so make sure to check your spam folder if you don't see it. Step 3. Enter personal information. Before starting recovery, use the SR.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Upload identification. You will be prompted to upload a form of identification, such as a passport or driver's license. Ensure the photo is clear and all details are visible to avoid delays. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. Once you've submitted your ID, wait for a confirmation email from Curve. This can take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on their processing time. If you don't receive a confirmation within a few hours, check the app for any notifications or try resubmitting your ID. Good luck with your verification, and enjoy using Curve.